the last video we stopped on constructor, right? Last video we stopped here. So I think today we're going to create another section. That section is for contact information, right? In that section include uh, information like phone number, email, right, address, right. It also include a map. We also can go to the Google map, all right, to copy that and paste it inside. So right now, to do that, is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create section, right? Section dash padding 5 inside. Like almost we need our website to be center, right? So right now, to be in order to be website on center, you need to write container, right? Con no sorry con t con t container. Perfect. So right now here, I've done container. We need to create div for row and div for column, right? That's the row gap. We need gap g dash 4. Perfect. So right now here inside the row, we need to include div for column co dash md. Perfect. So right now here we need h2. Good. Inside h2 we need a class. Class for text to be center. Text center. Text center. Right, margin bottom dash 4. Good. And let's here create a contact. Let's save contact info information. Let's save to see on browser. Yes, here we are, guys. Right, as I said, containers allows you to get your website on center, right? That's contact here. So right now, time for it. Time we list an order, right? So to do that, here space, we need here for group, right? We need here for group, list group, ul inside class called list dash group, right? Dash list this dash group flash dash dash group good dash group dash flash in dash load no load lead. Perfect. Here we are. So right now we need li, right? List li li. We need the class list dash group items list dash group dash items. Perfect. Inside we need a span. The span is for man. Span man location. Good. Yes, here we are. Inside here we need to create class for class fw. It mean font width dash blood to be blood, right? Blood. Let's save that. Right now, before save that, we need name of the street, uh, space 50 main street, s d main malakal gate, malakal ma main street, ma location. Let's save that, guy, to see. Yes, here we are, guys. Perfect. So right now here we need to make at least 3 times, right? Let's copy that's 3 times, right? Let's copy 3 times. Let's copy 3 times here. Just copy. Just need to copy this LA 2, 3, no 4. We need 4, right? Let's make a space between them. Good. Let's save to see. Yes, here we are, guys. So that sounds perfect right now. So we'll change those number, email, right? Phone number for a student or college. Perfect. The second one here is for copy this one, put this here, right, dash here also, and here. Good. Here the second one is just for the second one is a phone, right? And enroll, enrollment, right? Enrollment phone number. Let's change this phone number here, right? Phone number 211, right? 266 dash 3444. Perfect. And third one here is college number, right? College, not just college phone number. Good. And here we need to delete this here. Whatever number. Here could be 999 dash 6666. Perfect. That's the number 3. The fourth is could be the emails, right? Could be email. Good. Email here, right? Enrollment email. Good. That's the normal. No. Normal, right? Foreign back and .com. Let's save it, guys. Yes, here we are. So right now it's the time to copy. It's time to go to the Google, right, to and copy our map. So here we are, guys. Let's just search for Google Map, google.map.com. All right, just in there, you just need to copy whatever location you wanted, right? Whatever location you want. So I like this location here, right? Let's back here. Just copy the chair here and go uh, input here map and then copy this link, right? And go back to here, right? So here we need to create div for image, right? By the end of the UL here, you have div, right? Below that div here, we need to create column column dash md, right? Inside there, we need div for map, right? Div for map. um, no, not no. We need a ID. We need ID for map. MIP, perfect. And here, map here. No, and here, paste that link here, right? Paste that links here. Here we are. Let's save to see on browser. Close this. Go to your website. Reload. Yes, here we are, guys. This is the destination we copy on Google, right? So here you can make zoom, right? You can make zoom, right? Whatever location you want. Good. Whatever location you want, you just can copy. So right now here, I think we have done here. So before that, we need to open our CSS, right, to work on this ID here, right? So let's go here. In top here, we need to make width and height for our map. So here, MP, right, width 100%, right, height 100%. Good. Also, also border radius border radius could be 10%, 10 pixel. Perfect. Let's save. Let's save. Yes, sounds perfect. Right now, let's see our website on a small screen. Oh, sorry. Let's see. Yes, let's see. Wow, that sounds perfect, guys. Look, this is our image here, right? It looks perfect right now here. So that's perfect, guys. That's perfect. I like it. Let's make it bigger once again. Look, we create great website here, right? So I think right now here, let's back to index HTML here. So right now here, I think we have the on content information here. So now is the time for work on footer, right? Time to work on footer here. Good. So to do that, we need to go back here. We need to just here we are. So right now here, right below here, yeah, below of the section, this section here, we need to create a footer to our website. So let's close this content map here and open another section. Section, right? Section.